Okay, so for this assignment, this is called layout logistics. You're going to cut out the pattern pieces on the attached page, which is right here. You're going to cut those out. So you're going to cut all those out. On the white piece of paper, you're going to label one edge fold and the other side selvage. You're going to place the pattern pieces on the paper following the layout below. Remember to measure your grain line, from the edge and be sure it runs parallel to the selvage and fold. When all the pieces have been placed, glue them to your fabric. This is printed side up pattern, it's clear, and printed side down pattern is shown with the black. And then you're going to clean your area. Okay, so for those of you who are in school, you're going to come in and you're going to get this handout. And you're going to pick up a piece of construction paper and you're going to do it while you're waiting on your sewing machine. For those of you who are quarantined, get this done so when you get back at school you don't have to worry about it. But you can use a piece of construction paper, you can use a white piece of computer paper, whatever paper you have. You're going to have to print this out though so you can cut them and then turn it in when you come back to school. Okay guys, so with this you're going to take a piece of construction paper and you're going to fold it in half like a hot dog. This is your fold, this is your selvage. So your selvage is going to be, we write here fold, well you don't have to write fold, but on here you do have to write selvage edges so I know that you know that this is selvage edge, okay? What is a selvage edge? It's the part of the fabric that is woven tight that the manufacturer did. Okay, then you're going to take your pattern pieces from the back two pages, this page and this page. You can either find the ones that you need or you can cut them all out. That's up to you. You're going to follow this layout right here. It's going to show you. You're going to read the directions and you're going to follow the layout. So if you see a grayed out area, it means the pattern piece goes upside down. If you see a white area, it means the fabric piece goes up. So upside down means that the ink will be flat against the fabric and you can't see it. Okay, these are called, these would be, it's your fold on the fold lines. So those pieces of fabric have to be on the fold. This is a grain line. That means it has to be on the grain. So what that means is you have to get a ruler, and I'll have some out here in class, and if you're at home you'll have to find a ruler, and you're going to have to measure from this line to the fold. And whatever that is, this side has to be equal to that. Okay, and that means it's on the grain. This one, you have to measure from here to here, here to here, and it has to be the same. If it's not the same, it will be counted wrong because this means on the grain of the fabric. Everyone understand? So while other people are sewing in class, I want you to be working on this assignment and get it turned in. Mrs. Straight's not going to keep asking you if you have it done. If you're home and you're quarantined, this is a good time to get it done while you have nothing else to do. That way when you come to class, you can focus on sewing. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying and there's no questions, but if there is, make sure you ask.